friends, Crafty Queen Bee here. Welcome to my channel. Today, friends, I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful poinsettia bloom. So fast and easy and inexpensive to make, but it can make a quick adornment to your possible wreath, centerpiece, or just your garland. It is so fast and easy to make. I'm going to share that with you right now. First of all, what you're going to need is you're going to need a ruler to measure your ribbon strips, scissors, chenille stick, and from your little sprig things, just some little berries. You're going to need 4-inch ribbon. Now, I just dug into my craft stash. I didn't have anything red, but I had this pretty beige colored ribbon, and it's going to have to work. I forgot the name of this. Burlap. Thank you very much. What would I do without you? Okay, I use this burlap ribbon, and it's going to work just fine for where I'm going to put these. First of all, you cut 5 strips of this ribbon, 8 inches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to line them up together. Let's see if this will work. I'm going to trim the tips. Oh no, wrong direction. Yeah, I think I cut off more on one side than the other, but it'll be okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it over, and you're going to fold the sides down. Kind of like when we were in school and we used to make those paper airplanes. You remember that? It's been a long time ago. I wonder if kids still do that anymore in school. Okay, and the trick is going to be doing this while you're holding it, holding another one in your hand. Let's see if we can do this. This can be a little challenging. But you'll be so happy with the finished product. So just bear with me. And I've realized that things don't have to be perfect. They'll still work out. In my craft world, I make everything work. Okay, one more. Okay, now we're going to tie them all together pretty tight here. with our pipe cleaner. Gonna work with them. Gonna add the little berries in the center. Oops, this is a big one. They're all pretty big. Friends, there you have it. A pretty poinsettia bloom out of ribbon. Makes a great decoration. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you find this video entertaining or nice, you can make your own, or you feel you can make your own poinsettia bloom, please comment below and let me know. I'd like to hear from you. Meanwhile, friends, be the reason someone smiles today. Later. I totally screwed up at the end. Can you fix that? Mm-hmm. How are you going to fix that?
Magic.